Hey, this is Dr. Saila. If you crash after meals, your blood sugar and gut might be out of sync. Feeling tired or sluggish after eating isn't just harmless food coma. It can be a red flag from your body, often pointing to imbalances in blood sugar regulation or weak digestive function. When your blood sugar spikes quickly, like after a carb-heavy meal, and then drops suddenly, it creates that all too familiar crash, which is a fatigue, brain fog, irritability, and the urge to nap. Combine that with sluggish digestion, and you have got the perfect recipe for low energy and poor nutrient absorption. And the good news, small changes make a big difference. To prevent that post-meal slump, try these simple and powerful strategies. Include protein and healthy fats. They slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and keeping energy levels stable. And take a short walk after meals. Even a 10-minute stroll helps regulate the blood sugar and supports the digestion. Avoid heavy refined carbs and empty stomach. Starting your meal with the veggies and protein helps buffer the impact of the carbohydrates. Your energy after meals can be a mirror of your gut and metabolic health. Tune in, don't push through. Follow me for more gut-friendly and energy-saving tips. And we do have affordable functional medicine, which is $99 per month. So please schedule a discovery call. Link in the comments. I'll see you with the next video. Thank you.